Online? Hello? 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 Okay, it's online. Checking now. Hello? Okay. Hello? Okay, it's online. Alright, so I'm gonna start the thing in which we're doing. Okay, because yeah, hold on, sorry. Give me a second, I'm gonna just make sure that it's, I can see myself in my phone. So yeah. Alright, okay, so yeah, we're good. I'm gonna start now. Yeah, okay, it's online, so I can see the chat and my stuff. So. Right, so let's get started with, actually don't know what to get started with. Okay, let's see, so for GitHub. So if you look at the repositories, we can get going with, yeah, so I'll do it one by one then. I'll do it one by one. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah. Yeah, so, okay. I think I'll do it, so like, the idea for this stream is that I will be trying to showcase each project, because I think it's going to be quite hard for me to do it manually, as in by using a bunch of write-up, because like, it's going to be very hard to read, very cluttered, and then you also probably won't be able to completely follow like what I'm doing. So yeah. So for some of them, so like I've worked on GPTs as seen here as my project. So things like for a lot of them is actually impossible for you to run, for you guys Hack Club reviewers to run locally, because you guys need a cloud computer, which can be rented here or whatnot. Well, we could just paste this onto Hack Club. This streams is yeah. Hold on. A lot of them is actually impossible. Okay, there we go. Right, I'm just apologize if it's actually very echoey. I hope not, but yeah. I don't know. It's my first time doing a stream, and I am basically completely clueless. But yeah. So yeah, quite busy. I have a lot of stuff to do with my school. IB started. They want me dead. As you can see, it's Malay, and yeah, I don't care. But yeah, so this is how it works. So let's see what can I do for Hack Club. So like, I'm not actually sure which one have I used for like. Okay, so let me quickly check my repo first, because like I'm not sure which repo was involved in Hack Club. So I know that this is Android F1 Blend. This is for a few minutes. So is this? No. Yeah. Okay, but so this is done. But I think that I will still showcase it, and then also this and this and this. Actually, no, this is really isn't. And then this. Yeah, that should be it. And then the rest is just my other stuff in which I do it for myself. So yeah, let's get started with Android F1 Blend. So for this one, not much commit, I think, if I remember. I am, so like for this one, Android F1 Blend, I'm mainly just doing, what do you call it? It's mainly just here. So like, if you're in the repo, if you're a reviewer and you can see the files here, very simple stuff. You basically just open them. So this is for a competition known as F1 schools, and then like the car that we make have to comply against all the rules and regulations stated here. So we have to comply with this, else we're gonna lose points. But yes, so you can see the car itself here. So like I've made like multiple versions, but like this is the main version, version 3-Louis blend. Oh, is it this one? But you just basically just click on the blend class and you can see the entire car itself. There is no renders made for now, because the idea of this car is that I actually have to put it in a computational fluid dynamic software for it to be tested, to test its aerodynamics and make sure that it's actually good for what I want, and then I would choose like one design out of many. So yeah, so that's it for this repo for Underworld F1 blend. So it should be shipped, I believe. I don't know if there really is any issue with this, then I could always like you could always like toss the information back to me one day. But I think that this should be quite experienceable as long as you have Blender. But yeah, and then I had in the each of the tasks, each of the threads in the each of the Hack Cloud arcade sessions, like I had also included very clear pictures of what I was doing. So that should be it for Underworld F1 blend. So now let's move on to the next repo. So the next repo is this one. This I've barely started. It's from my parents' company, so I'm not making any money off this because it's from my mom's company. I guess it's technically child labor, or I'm just just doing it for my parents because I'm just being nice, but yeah. I haven't really started yet, except I got the page online through npm start, but it's not here. But for this one, I think I have like 2 hours in this, but like I've basically only managed to get the files online and stuff here. Like the files are basically completely empty. This was based on Cloud. Cloud and ChatGPT-4 told me what to do, what file structure should I take, and then this is what I got for this. So yeah. Not much here except for like the basic stuff, and then I got the file running via npm start. In fact, I guess I can kind of show you. Should I? Actually, no, I won't. But yeah, it's working. If you look at the actual arcade sessions that is related to this, you should be able to see it. That would be it. So yeah. So that's the progress with this repo for now. Moving on, let's go to now GPT Valkyrie. Now this is going to be a pain. Right, so this repo is here. So it's GPT Valkyrie. Oh God's sake, this pain. Yeah, it's this one. So I want to clarify something I mentioned to another reviewer, and that is that it has a fairly similar format to an IBEE, but it's not from an IBEE. It's purely co-curricular. It's not for stuff for school. It's mainly for Hack Club and me actually trying to write a research paper, as mentioned here. It's for a research paper on transformer architecture. So like for this one, you can see the file itself. So like if you want to be able to experience the research paper, it's here. The format isn't right yet. Like the numbers are all over the place for this, but it's fine for a Google Docs, but not for this. So yeah. So it's a bit all over the place, but like you could see what I am trying to write here. So yeah, biometric isn't done yet. It should be done by September 16. But September 16 is also when Hack Club ends by, it would have ended by then, but like, so like this is what I've made so far, and then you can easily experience this in this docs file. So yeah. So for the main stuff is GPT Valkyrie. Right now I gotta actually show you what's going on. Okay, so I haven't done much code for this yet. I think that for what I've worked on for this repo, was I was trying to collect my raw data, and that involves me creating a GPT architecture from scratch. So an example is this, an example of a GPT architecture, and it's this one. So yeah, if you look at this file here, if I just hit run for this one, it's going to, if I just hit run, in a server, in a cloud computer with 4 to 8 GPUs or more. That's very fast, like the NVIDIA A100. If I hit run, it's going to train a GPT for me. For example, like the one here. So if you go and look at my Hugging Face repository, you'll find it here. So wait, no, not this one. I need water. This one. So this is a trained model. 144 million. Sorry, 111 million parameter model, and it's here. And you can see it's checkpoint steps here. But yeah, we're getting a bit ahead of ourselves. But the main point is currently, due to what I am researching, I'm trying to research on different types of layer normalization, which if you look at the transformer architecture, I am using maths, so in a way, so I'm building a architecture similar to the GPT, but I'm trying to fix, I'm trying to implement this part. Add a norm, so like this is the layer normalization, and then I have some hypothesis in which I will try and, the idea is that I'm basically trying to create multiple of these train files to be able to train multiple GPTs with different transformer architecture. So changing the maths inside this. And hence by doing this, I need to change the files in here. As you can see, if you look at this file here, I call it math testing. In this file here, I'm trying to implement the layer, so like in this case, I'm trying to implement one of the variants of layer normalization, and it's known as power normalization. So yeah, you can find the file here, the source file of who wrote this stuff. So yeah, they call it power norm. Sorry. Oh, page. So yeah, so like if you want to find out more about layer normalization, you can find them here. It's a pretty big thing. It's quite standard in the scheme of transformers, training it from scratch, but you can find it here, power norm. I am basing it off this, but I'll have to make some changes. Sorry, can't find it. Oh gosh, my here is not. Jeez. Yeah, this one. So it's based off of this one. I think that I have put the link somewhere in the archive sections, but yeah, so it's based off this one. They have provided the source code, but the issue was that so if you go and see their first apply, wait, no, hold on, no, was it scripts? No, I think modules and stuff. So like the source code is here, power norm. So for this one, currently what I've done in like 8 to 9 hours trying to fix this is that an issue that I realized was that these writers of this paper, of this power normalization, they have basically only shared their code for power norm, but not sync power norm. As you can see, like you have like two types here. So you have batch norm versus sync function. So like the idea is that power norms, like this code here works when you only have one GPU doing the training of your GPT, but when you have 4 different GPUs, when you need to, because like in reality, when training actual like massive AI models, you need to be able to have multiple computers running in parallel to, in a way, basically to save time. But the issue is the coders themselves have forgot to share their files, so I couldn't do anything except to try and build my own code myself, which was a pain, but I did it. So here you go. I can show you here now. But to do this, I need to start up my compute sessions. So yeah, give me a second. Hold on. Give me a second, please. Well, let's just quickly get our computer started, but let me quickly just do something. Right, okay. So for this one, for this one, so like for me to train my GPTs, I normally use cloud computers. They are very expensive stuff, and the main reason that I am currently doing a stream is because that these computers are normally unaffordable or simply too hard to set up, and hence you could argue that it doesn't meet the arcade shipping requirements because like, you can't experience it. However, I think that this should be the best way that you could try and experience this, whatnot. If you want to, if you really want to, you could also try and replicate what I am doing here. So yeah, so like an example was also like when I was training this GB Tesla Small, I had used 4 NVIDIA A100 GPUs with 900 GB RAM and 96 CPUs and 800 GB SSDs. Like this, for example, it's basically okay. So I can't finish, but like it basically costs about 15 USD per hour by minimum. So it's very expensive stuff. But yeah, so since you guys may likely can't afford that, and then to actually try and get the entire like cloud supercomputer to be on your VS Code locally takes a lot of time. I will just show it to you guys via Mish recording off my screen via a YouTube stream so that you guys can also see it. So yeah. So how I do it is that I have my own server here. I basically just get this thing started and then I can just SSH into this. Or you guys better approve this, like considering how much time this is taking. Christ. So yeah, so I just paste this here. Come in here. Command V. And then okay, so currently it's still starting, so we gotta give it some time. So yeah. Hack Club reviewers, y'all better give me my 3D printer. You guys can't imagine how much time have I spent on this. You guys. Oh yeah. Okay, wait, hold on. Just give me a sec. Starting now. No, not yet. Okay, just so like now just gotta give it a second for this computer to start up, and once it's ready, then we can actually go into it via SSH, and we are free to go. And then we'll have our computer free to go, and then I can then from there show you guys what's going on. Yeah, so for this one, it's a much cheaper variant. It's 4X NVIDIA A4000, so a lot cheaper. But the idea is that I'm currently just doing trial and error, so like there is actually no need for me to try and get like the most expensive computer like an NVIDIA H100. So hence, so yeah, so like this is what we have for now. So yeah. Not yet. Give me a second. It's still trying to start, but yeah, it's what the? Can I not start? Oh, sorry. Oh my, sorry. I'm a complete idiot. I have forgot to hit start from my thing. So yeah. Give it a second. It's starting now. So yeah, should be there very soon. Pain. This is so much pain. Give me a second, it's starting down. I'm trying to check the YouTube stream progress itself. Okay, can I make sure that I'm actually streaming? Hold on. Nice, I am streaming, very good. I am live, 14 minutes spent, very nice. So now I can see that it is started, it is running. This is a computer in North Carolina, in the US. You can see it, I have 128 GB of RAM, 8 Intel server CPUs, 38 gigs of RAM for RTX 4000. The idea is so that it's as cheap as possible at around only 52 cents an hour USD, which is, don't get me wrong, by no metric is actually cheap, but still a lot cheaper than what you have out there. But yeah, so like now, if I do this, I'm in. So yeah, and I just put in my password. And now I am connected to the computer, as you can see. And if I just quickly do NVIDIA SMI, I can see it. I can see the actual GPUs themselves, and yeah, that's it. So now if I go over to this, so this is run via an extension from VS Code, so it basically allows this entire window to be this thing. So yeah, I just quickly do connect to host, North Carolina. That should be in very soon, give me a second. And I'm in. Should close this now. Enter password. Password's entered. Then I just open the folder to user, and there we go. So there's not much for this one. I had mainly explained what I was doing with this, so I had already explained like what was going on in the arcade session. So if you can see it there, please refer there. But for this one, I'm just basically trying to show you how do you replicate what I am doing. So for this server here, I have gotten the latest versions of PyTorch installed. So for this one, for this repo, for NVIDIA, for this repo for GPT-Valkyrie, the main code that I have ran is basically just this. So it's just this. It's this test file which works, but I still gotta check whether it does actually work completely. So yeah. So how do you run this file? It's fairly simple. You just go to its local directory, which is inside maindir. So if you just do cd maindir, and then just copy this code here. So like for this code, if you only have one GPU, please switch it to nproc per node equals 1. If not, if you want it to be 4 GPUs, in this case I have as you can see here, I have 4 GPUs in parallel. I do torch run standalone nproc per node equals 4, and I hit run, and it should run. And yeah, it's quite hard to tell what's going on here, but it's basically just I'm just trying to make sure that the code for the single process for the for power norm, the code for power norm, and my own implementation of sync power norm is doing the same thing. In which case it is, as you can see here, the absolute difference is 0, which shows that they are doing the exact same thing, which is a very good thing, which means that my code is working, I believe. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this. Okay, so that's it for GPT-Valkyrie. Oh, and then also a bit more is that if you want to find the, so for GPT-Valkyrie, for a lot of times I was writing notes and stuff, so like you can find the notes here. I've put them in IPYNB files. So if you just open them via VS Code, for example, you can see them here. Yeah, you can see them here, in the notes. And then yeah, it should be linked to per session anyway. And here's some stuff on Ubuntu code on what to type, whatnot. So yeah, that should be it. Yeah, that should be it. So that's it for GPT-Valkyrie. If there's any issues, reviewers, please tell me about it, and then I will come back to you guys and prove it. Please don't mark me as fraud. I'm just very tired of this already. I have a lot on my plate, and I'm very tired. Yeah. So now let's move on to the next repo. So yeah, let's go ahead. Yeah, I'll be very, very mad if I'm actually marked as fraud and then I lose my 3D printer. You just can't imagine it. Yeah, like this is a lot of time spent. I have a lot of coursework to do and whatnot, but I'm still doing this. So yeah, but it's the last day. So yeah, for this one now, let's move on to Nano GPT Valkyrie. How I'll be doing this is that I'm gonna copy this file locally. Okay, actually, I don't know what's going on actually. Wait, hold on. I was gonna open my drive. Okay, shit. Okay. I'll just show you show you guys like what to do precisely, so like then you guys can very easily replicate what I am doing here very easily. I'm not sure what now in what directory. Okay, I think that Nano GPT Valkyrie is. Wait, which one is this again? It's okay. It's this one, I think. Okay. All right. All right. Let's just quickly show you guys what's going on. So for this one, right, I'll do this by git cloning this. So I'm just gonna. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Right. Some changes gotta be made, but yeah. Sorry. I'm clean. Let's let this get cloned, and I can then show you guys what's going on from this one here. Let's locally copy the code here. Why do I have 3 person watching? Hello? The other 3 person? Whoever you are, please tell me who you are so that I could know. I don't know. I don't care, but yeah, fuck. Okay, so git clone, yeah. Actually, this isn't even required. No, sorry. Go for stumps instead. There you go, that should be inside the file now. It's in? Is it in? It's in. Okay, nice. Okay. Right. Just quickly show you guys how do you get this to work. So in this case, it's just so this is the main file that I was using. So for Nano GPT Valkyrie, I was using weights and biases to monitor what's going on for the code. Hold on. Fuck me. Right. So let me just quickly explain what weight and biases is. So like it's a website used by I guess you could say professionals, companies like Tesla, Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, whatnot to actually put their machine learning model progress to show people show their entire team of what's going on. Oh, the review is the input plus semester. So in this case, I'm using Nano. Okay, so for this one, it's here. So how this works? Oh, I might have to review my API. Never mind. I think I can get this fixed. Hold on. I gotta make sure that I don't review my API key. That'll be very bad. Will be very bad, in fact. Give me a second. Give me a second. Pain, so much pain. Right. Okay, I found my API key, I think. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so for this one, So like this code here is basically the same code from the Andrej Karpathy course. So if you search up Andrej Karpathy, 0 to hero, re-implementing GPT-2. The code here is basically very similar to this, except for some light changes which I have made. I forgot what changes it was. If you could, please refer to the what I had wrote in the respective arcade sessions. I think that they were there very clearly. So yeah, yeah. So now if I just quickly do, so the code is based on the course. It has made some changes there, left and right. I made my notes here, as you can see. If you go and click on, wait, where's the notes? No, GPT for the crew. Yeah. So like here are the notes, if you can see them. Like if you're just interested in seeing the notes, like they are all here, so that you could see them. Because transformer training is a very maths-heavy subject, as you know, like AI is actually very maths-heavy. Like it's not only like AI is not only about programming. It's actually also about doing maths. So hence the idea is I have my maths here, whatnot, of like what's going on with the code, layer normalization, whatnot, so you can just see them there. For this one, for the main file itself, it can be seen here. Alright, how this will work? Oh crap, might have an issue. I might not be able to run this. Actually, let's just find out. That's an issue. I don't know how big this is, and that might be an issue for me. Wait, hold on. Ooh, I might have to start a new session. Shit. Because I don't have enough storage. Oh no, that's annoying. Wait. I think I'll quickly try and modify its configuration real quick. Hold on, give me a second. I gotta add more storage and RAM for it because it's not gonna be enough for it, sadly. So let's quickly do 900 and 900. Okay, 135 it is. Got a mosquito. Oh, 74 cents. You know what? I don't care, right? Let's get a modify real quick. Wow, this is annoying. God, right. Whatever. Okay. Modify. Ooh, now I gotta go for a bit. Yeah, that's fun. Alright, so now we have 900 GB of RAM and 128 gigs of RAM. So let's get started. Let's just start VM. Wait, give me a second real quick. Give me a second. Hold on. Okay, it's ready. Right, we're good. Fuck me, right. Okay, it's online. Right, so yeah, it's changed. It's just online, nice. And now I gotta reconnect now. Wait, hold on. Right, it's because I'm off again, so I'm not gonna try and quickly reconnect. Yep, off again now. Control C. It's lagging. Oh, it's lagging. This is not good. Yeah, now that it's no longer on, why can't I just do Control C real quick? God, this is pain. Am I in? Okay, I think I'm back in, right. Not, oh god. Okay, I'm out. Alright, nice. Let's see. Right. Can I get in? No. Okay, let's just quickly wait for a bit, because the computer gotta quickly restart. Right, Hack Club, you guys better give me what I want, because okay, you know what? Sorry, that's a bit rude, but please give me my 3D printer, because I am using an extra 20 cents per hour to actually get this instance online. Now I have 5 viewers. Yeah, who cares? So yeah. God, can you just get online, please? For fuck's sake. Right, I'm online. And I am now once again inside the server. I have 872 gigs of RAM, sorry, of storage. They lied to me. They said 900, but who cares? GPUs are working. They are working. Check. Right. Retry. And am I in? Get in. Stupid computer. Oh, okay, no, okay, enter password. I'm in, I think. Right, I'm in the server now. Check. Right, I'm in. Alright, so to run this, now firstly I gotta quickly get the raw data, which I was using the stuff from findup.py. Wait, let's get the terminal instead. Why is it so slow now? Maybe too. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. CD GPT Valkyrie, no, Nano GPT Valkyrie. LS. So to do this, I gotta CD into this, training code 1DB. Yeah, so for you guys Hack Club reviewers, if you want to, you can try and replicate this if you actually do have the resources by following my steps here, as seen here. If not, then you could just try and experience it by doing this. But yeah, so I gotta quickly run this. I gotta quickly get the raw data from FindWeb, and how I do this is that I just run Python findweb.py, and that should be it. Oh, what's going on? No module name. Yeah, now I'm gonna quickly reinstall some. Fuck. Okay, now let me quickly reinstall some stuff. Reinstall some. Wait, why is it? I'm gonna quickly reinstall some of my files. Sorry, not files, but libraries. So it can be seen here. Yeah, here. All right. And if I just hit Shift Enter, then that should get installing. This should take some time, so it's gonna be a fairly long stream, I reckon. So yeah, just gonna wait for a bit. And then just wait for a bit, and then yeah. So it should be downloading now. Is it? Wait, is it working or not? Hello? Okay, yeah, it is. Wait, dang it. Oh, sorry. Oh, never mind. It didn't have an instance. Okay, there we go. Now I just gotta wait for this, and then I should be installing it now. Fuck me. Give it a sec, I gotta reinstall Torch. So yeah, so for you guys, Hacklet reviews, if you have the resources, you can try and reach the same version that I am using by running this block here. Basically just try and follow my steps as close as possible and then you should be good. So yeah. Is it done? No, it's not. Right. Give it a second. Should be there pretty soon. By soon I mean a few hours. No, sorry. A few minutes. Oh, pain. All this for a 3D printer. Oh god. Still going? Give it a second. Okay, it's done, let's go. Right, now let's just quickly run this file. Oh crap. Sin, what do you mean? I'm gonna restart this? Oh snap. Okay, I think I might have to reboot this. Well, let's just quickly get this rebooted. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, this is very annoying, but can't exactly do much about this, sadly. But yeah. Give me a second, just wait for me for a bit and then I should be done. But yeah, it's a pretty intensive process, time-wise. Okay, I should be online again. Wait, snap, I just realized you guys can see the very right side of my screen. Snap. Oh my god, it's terrible. Hold on. I'm trying to fix this. Didn't realize the entire time. There you go. And you guys can see the entire screen. Right. Wait a bit. Am I online? I'm online, let's go. Yes, okay, I'm in. No, wait. Right, okay, I'm in. Okay, let's try this out again. I'm just gonna do this, and that should be it. Oh god, this is bad. Looks like they're gonna be trying to do some debugging. It's not working for some reason. Hold on. Give me a second. Jesus Christ. Jeez, that is so long. Oh, it's working, it's working. Oh, it's working. Right, good news, it's working. Right, let's go, it's working. Working nicely. Right. Who's this? Yeah, now we just wait. We just sit here and wait. I have a feeling that we don't even need the 900 gigs of RAM. Sorry, of SSD. In fact, we don't. But it's fine. It's fine. I'll just get it for the 6-bit. Currently, I have a feeling that we can't actually afford to use this, so we're gonna shrink the size of this, the batch size. Just have a feeling. I'll try with 16 for now, real quick. Actually, would 16 even work? I think I try 8 instead. There you go. And then the command should be here somewhere. The command to run this file. Yeah, there we go. Here's the command. Instead we have choosing 4. So yeah. Give it a second, it's trying to currently install the, so like we're installing the raw data from FineWeb. So if you look up FineWeb, this is where the raw data is at. So yes, from this. It's basically some very, very good data compiled by the open source movement of Hugging Face, and yeah, so it's going to be using some good data for our training of our GPT, so that'll be it. Give it a second. It'll be quite a while actually, because it's gotta download all of the data shards from it. If I recall, it's like over 90 shards, so it's gonna be like, I don't know, essentially a few hours, so it's gonna be less interesting stuff for now, so yeah. It's still being downloaded, just give it a second. I'm just doing my Heckler stuff now. Just doing my